Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add voice to your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the New Project button at the upper side of the screen and go to the plus icon at the lower left corner. Select a video and at the right side of the screen scroll down and you can find the microphone icon under the square icon, and just tap to the microphone at the bottom of the page and just speak, and just speak. And if you finish, just click to the square icon and tap to the OK button. And new, you can edit this voice, you can trim, you can set the volume and the speed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.